Hello everyone, I am M.A. Syed from Easy Classes. Today I am going to discuss about important topic that is monument places. So it will help to your all competitive exam. In your competitive exam frequently asked about these monuments. So these are the important points to your exam. So friends, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, so please be subscribed and hit bell icon to get notification when we will be upload these type of videos. Please share and like also. If you want competitive exam videos in English version, please write in the comment box. So now let's begin. That is important monuments. So here I am giving to you important monuments and where they are situated. So in your exams they will ask the name of the monument and where it will be situated. So you should remember only the names and where they were situated. So first one is Champaner Park. It is situated in Gujarat and it is also World Heritage Site. So UNESCO announced the World Heritage Site, that is Champaner Park. So next one is Nataraj Temple. It is situated in Tamil Nadu's Chidambaram. Next one is Mahabodhi Temple. It is situated in Gaya, Bihar. It is also a World Heritage Site. Next one is Mahabalipuram Temple. It is in Tamil Nadu. Lotus Temple. It is in Delhi. Next one is Lake Place. It is situated in Rajasthan's Udaipur. Next one is Janjira Fort. It is in Maharashtra. Jama Masjid. It is in Delhi. Next one is India Gate. It is in Delhi. And Gateway of India. It is in Mumbai. So you will be confused about India Gate and Gateway of India. So remember these two. India Gate, it is in Delhi, and Gateway of India, it is in Mumbai. So India Gate, it is constructed by Edwin Lutyens. So and our parliament also constructed by Edwin Lutyens. Next one is Humayun's tomb. It is in Delhi. After that, Golconda Fort. It is in Hyderabad. After that, Fatehpur Sikri Fort. It is in Uttar Pradesh. It is also a World Heritage Site. Next one is Falaknuma Palace, Hyderabad. It is in Hyderabad. And in Hyderabad, there is also a Salarganj Museum. Chittorgarh Fort, it is in Rajasthan. Charminar, it is in Hyderabad. When the plague disease eradicated, so for that memorial, Charminar was constructed in Hyderabad. So after that, Amer Port, it is in Rajasthan, Jaipur. Hawa Mahal, it is also in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Meenakshi Temple, it is in Tamil Nadu. After that, City Palace, it is in Rajasthan, Udaipur. After that, cellular jail, we will call also, that is Kala Pani, Blackwater. It is situated in Andaman Nicobar's Port Blair. Port Blair is the Andaman Nicobar's capital city. After that, Buland Darwaza, it is situated in Uttar Pradesh. Bolgatti Palace, it is in Kerala's Kochi. Basilica of Bom Jesus, it is situated in Goa. It is famous church situated in Goa. And after that, Bangla Sahib, it is situated in Delhi. Aday Dinka Chopra, it is in Rajasthan's Ajmer. After that, Dhammek Stupa, it is in Saranath. After that, Panch Mahal, it is situated in Uttar Pradesh, Fatehpur Sikri. Kumbhalgarh Fort, it is situated in Kumbhalgarh, Rajasthan. Sanchi Stupa, it is in Madhya Pradesh. Jaisalmer Port, it is in Rajasthan. It is also known as Golden Port. After that, the famous temple, that is Sun Temple, it is in Konark, Odisha's Konark. After that, Khajuraho Temple, it is situated in Madhya Pradesh. So here we will find Hindu and Jain religious temples. After that, Red Fort, you know Red Fort, it is in Delhi. Next, Taj Mahal, it is in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Vivekanand Rock, it is situated in the Hindu Mahasagara from Kanyakumari, 40 kilometers away. Leh Palace, it is in Ladakh. Victoria Memorial Hall, it is in Kolkata. Purana Killa, it is in Delhi. Kaziranga National Park, it is situated in Assam. It is also a World Heritage Site. Victory War Memorial, it is in Tamil Nadu. Vivekanandar Illam House, it is situated in Tamil Nadu's Chennai. Ripon Building, it is in Tamil Nadu. Anamalai Elephant Hill, it is in Tamil Nadu. Next one is Mehergarh Fort, it is situated in Rajasthan's Jodhpur. Salim Singh Ki Haveli, it is situated in Rajasthan's Jaisalmer. After that, Ghanta Ghar, it is situated in Rajasthan's Jodhpur. Jai Vilas Mahal Gwalior, it is situated in Gwalior. Gwalior, it is in Madhya Pradesh. Gwalior Fort is also there, so it is also situated in Madhya Pradesh. Nanda Devi and Valley of Flower, these are also World Heritage Sites. They were situated in Uttarakhand. Sundarbans National Park, it is also a World Heritage Site. It is situated in Kolkata. Bhimbetka, it is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Tughlakabad Port, it is in Delhi. Next, Kalka Shimla Railway, it is situated in Assam. Next one is Dakshineshwara Kali Temple, it is in Kolkata. Somnath Temple, it is in Gujarat. Lakshmi Vilas Palace, it is situated in Gujarat's Vadodara. Next, Tajul Masjid, it is situated in Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Next one is Jahangir Mahal, it is situated in Madhya Pradesh, Orcha. So here I have written some in Kannada language, so I will explain in English. Okay, so Mukambika Temple, it is situated in Kolluru, and after that Indragiri and Chandragiri Hills, they were situated in Shravanbedagola. Shravanbedagola, it is in Hassan. Shravanbedagola, it is in Hassan district of Karnataka. Next, Karnataka's first clearing house, it is situated in Mangaluru. After that, Kankanakindi, it is situated in Udupi. Next one is Banavasi, it is situated in Uttar Kannada district. After that, Kamal Mahal, it is situated in Hampi. So here I will explain about Hampi. So it is very important for your examination because it is also a World Heritage Site of UNESCO. Hampi, it is the capital city of Vijayanagara dynasty. So Vijayanagara dynasty have three capital cities. First one is Vijayanagara. So Vijayanagara becomes Hampi after that, and second one is Penukonda, and after that another one is capital city of Vijayanagara, that is Chandragiri. So these are the three capital cities of Vijayanagara dynasty, and Vijayanagara dynasty is world's second largest medieval era after Beijing. Okay, first one is Beijing, and after that second one is largest medieval era is Vijayanagara. And Vijayanagara's Hampi, it is situated the bank of Tungabhadra river. So it is also frequently asked in your examinations, where was situated Hampi. So it is situated bank of Tungabhadra river, and in the Ramayana and Puranas, Hampi has its name was taken from Pampa word, that means big and famous. Okay, Hampi, it is a word taken from the word Pampa. Pampa means big and or famous. Okay. Vijayanagara dynasty, it is founded by Harihara and Bukka in 1336. Harihara and Bukka were the founder of Vijayanagara dynasty in 1336, and the Vijayanagara Samraja, its famous king was Krishnadeva Raya. He belongs to Tulu sect, and he is the third king of Tulu sect. So this is the short information about Hampi and Vijayanagara dynasty. So after that we will move to the monuments. So next one is Golden Temple. Golden Temple, it is situated in Amritsar, Punjab. Next, Disneyland Park, it is situated in California. Next one is Leaning Tower. Leaning Tower, it is situated in Italy's Pisa. Next, Golden Buddha, it is situated in Bangkok. After that, Big Ben, it is in London. Tulip, it is in Holland. And after that, Karanta's childhood house, it is situated in Saligrama. So Saligrama, it is in Udupi district of Karnataka. And after that, Olympus Hill, it is situated in Greece. Next, after that, Charminar, it is situated in Hyderabad. So already I have told you why the Charminar have built. After that, Head Park, it is situated in London. Eiffel Tower, it is situated in Paris. So Paris, it is the capital city of France. After that, Great Barrier Reef, it is situated in Australia. After that, Kandahar, it is in Afghanistan. Next one is Hazaribagh National Park, it is in Bihar. After that, Hindustan Fort, it is in Vishakhapatnam. Next one is Dandakaranya, Bastar, it is in Bastar district. So Bastar district comes in Chhattisgarh. Bastar district, it is in Chhattisgarh. After that, Rihand Valley, it is in Uttar Pradesh. After that, Surma Valley, it is in Assam. Next, Copacabana Beach, it is in Rio de Janeiro. So friends, you have to tell me when was held the Olympic Games in Rio de Janeiro. Write in comment box. After that, Lehasta, it is in Jammu Kashmir. After that, India's multiple use cultural bhavan, it is situated in Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi. After that, last one is Marina Beach, it is in Chennai. So here we have discussed about all the important monuments of India and also Karnataka. So it will be help to your examination. So please do share our videos and like. Thank you one and all.